Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And I'm happy to tell you that this year, in the race they're going to have at Oshkosh, there is a Grumman going to be represented. He called us from out west. He flew in. We did an annual on his airplane, and he was very upfront. He says, and I want my airplane rigged because I want it to run as fast as it can because I'm going to be in the race at Oshkosh this year. So we did that for him. By the way, rigging is the cheapest speed mod you can ever apply to an airplane. Before you think about power flow, before you think about a different propeller, anything, get a benchmark and get your airplane rigged. So stay tuned for you watching these racers prepare. We would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now I'll say again, rigging is your cheapest speed mod, but there are people who do a wide variety of things. You'll notice they put speed tape over the wing roots. They'll do that where the wing sections meet. Here he is applying the tape underneath the airplane. They'll apply it anywhere there's a bump on the airplane. There was even one guy in a tail dragger Yankee who used to get taped into the canopy so there can be no ripple there. Take off the outside air vents and tape over them. You know, a myriad of things you can do to prepare for getting ready for a race. But again, rigging is your cheapest speed mod, and this year we know there's at least one Grumman in the race up at Oshkosh. It's going to be happening tomorrow. Here's a look at the field. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative about the race going on at Oshkosh tomorrow. Thanks for watching and have a great day flying your airplane. And as a little treat, when Lily was just a little puffball, she and Tarzan, they still play like this all the time, attacking each other and tumbling. And Tarzan also does this with Hopscotch, our bigger ginger. So I'll throw these little treats in there for you so you can watch them play and have fun. Hope you're having a good day, and we'll see you with another video.